TritoFlex is a fluid-applied, seamless, instant-setting membrane with properties that add value to existing roofs, such as 1900% elongation and extreme flexibility. Excellent puncture resistance. High durability. Severe hail resistance. Factory Mutual Class A fire rating. Instantly water resistant and able to withstand ponding water indefinitely. Industry-leading adhesion ratings to almost any substrate with no primers. Our installations are non-disruptive and green, with no odor and no harmful VOCs. No noise, no intrusion, no tear-off, and no waste. The heat-dissipating Tritotherm top coat reduces energy consumption and premature degradation through the innovative and unique ceramic nanotechnology. This innovative material was developed to benefit building owners with flat and low-slope roofs in need of an alternative solution. TritoFlex is now a greatly sought-after solution, not only for roofs, but much more. All of Triton's products are installed only by qualified, trained contractors who are backed by our extensive consulting background and our long-term common sense warranties. We take manufacturing seriously, and we manufacture our products and equipment ourselves rather than hire out a third party or private label. We take pride in our respected brand and we give back to our communities. Triton's alternative solutions are protecting valuable assets all over the world. Contact us today to find out more. We are here to help.